welcome back to Overlook Valley Homestead. We are in the middle of a project here today, and I thought, I should have already started a video before we started the project, but it is what it is. So just thought I'd show y'all what we're into. Let me turn the camera around here. Alright, so we've been doing some work on the deck. I'll take you over and show you. Sorry for the noise. Anyways, this was our pool deck. The old steps there, they're rotting all out. And used to be a pool on the ground right here, as you can see. And the deck was rounded, so we straightened it up and just made a regular deck out of it. Anyways, we ended up just using some of the old lumber. That was some of the old steps that was on this side. And we actually just filled in where the pool was. Kind of leaves a little seam here, but it's decorative, I guess. So it's okay with us. So anyways, we decided that we needed to try and clean the decks up. We also moved the steps on this side. We got a mess out here. The steps for this porch was on this side. We took them down and added rails there and moved the steps to the front. We got this the Olympic deck cleaner, and I've never used it before, but we thought we would try it and see how it turns out. We sprayed it all over the deck, waited about 10 or 15 minutes, and now as you can see, she's up here pressure washing. We kind of been taking turns with the pressure washer. We hadn't pressure washed the outside yet. But that's kind of what's going on right now. I got a picture of before we started that I'll put in right here.
Hey everybody, it's Shannon from Overlook Valley Homestead. Mark is pressure washing the porch. We put some cleaner on it and now we're spraying it off. We've had some projects going on with moving the steps on that porch and putting rails on this side to block it off. And then we did the back porch. We finished it and squared it off where the pool was and put rails and put the steps in the center. So just been doing some work. We've been trying to keep the baby goats in the pasture with the rest of the goats, the ones that were bottle fed. The other two smallest ones died, so we just got these two bottle babies left, and they don't like to be in the pasture. Say hey guys. They're like, mama, let us out, we want to go back to our other pen. And there's the other ones. Gruff's fighting with Simba. The two little brown ones are young goats too. Oh, I think Gruff is, yeah, Gruff's having a little fun. But that's kind of what we've been doing around here lately. Just cleaning things up and working on stuff. That's where I was keeping the baby goats when it was raining or cold, but now that we're moving them to the pasture, I'm gonna try to let them stay out there. So we're gonna get finished cleaning this porch and then we'll catch up with y'all when we're done.
Alright, so I know it's kind of loud, but I was just gonna show you what it's actually doing, so I'm gonna let her get some video of it as we spray it. See if you can see how it's taking it off. Some spots you can see it better than others, but we're just kind of doing it one board at a time. That way we'll make sure we don't miss any spots. noticed that it doesn't take any stains off. If you have stains on your wood, it's not really taking that off. It's just getting rid of the dirt and the mildew and stuff. All right, we're gonna finish doing this the floor part of the deck, and then we'll move to the outside. We'll get some more video of that and show you how that is turning out. Alright y'all, she took the pressure washer away from me. She likes to do stuff like that. So I'm letting her finish up the floor, and then we're going to move to the outside. I only bought 1 gallon of that Olympic deck cleaner because I've never tried it before. Actually, I've never tried any deck cleaner before. So I thought, you know what, let's just try it and see what it does. This deck has been here for probably, I'm guessing, I don't know, 6 or 7 years, and it's never been cleaned, and it's never had anything put on it. So I kind of neglected it. So we're gonna try and get the deck cleaned up and get some stain or some sealer or something on it, where we can get as many years out of it as we can without having to replace the deck. Same thing on the pool deck. The pool deck was only put in 2 years ago, so it's not as old as this deck. But hopefully we're going to get them both stained up, and I have a pretty good deck on the front. Also, our plan is to match these decks to the one on the front, and I'll take you around there and show you that while she's finishing that up. Hey y'all, this is the front deck, and it needs to be pressure washed and cleaned as well, but it has a stain on it, and I'm not sure what that is. I have the can in the house, but we put this on some years ago, and it's really done good, except for I just haven't pressure washed like I should. So hopefully it's a tinted stain. I do know that because you can still see the wood grain through the stain. So but that green really does show up on it. But anyways, that is our plan. So let's go back around back and see how Shannon's coming along with the pressure washing. Y'all, she still likes a little bit being done on that. I was gonna mention, my neighbors got there. Alright, I was gonna mention that I have heard and maybe seen some videos on YouTube of other people using just pure bleach instead of the deck wash. And I seen one guy where he showed the active ingredients, and they were the same in bleach as they were in deck wash. But I think there's one ingredient missing from the bleach that the deck wash has. But anyway, both seem to do a pretty good job. Like I say, we've never used the deck wash before, so I thought, hey, let's just try it. So it was like $10 at our Home Depot, so you know, let's just try it out and see what happens. Hey, y'all remember to like and subscribe and hit that thumbs up. That helps our channel. We're trying to grow our channel. We haven't been doing videos like we want to, but we're going to try our best and start doing more videos on our channel and show you more of what's going on around our homestead. And if there's things you want to see or would like to know about that we do, just, you know, put it in the comments down there. Let us know you're watching. Let us know that we're not just doing all this for nothing, other than just our own want to, you know. But we hope that somebody out there is enjoying our content. So anyways, back to the deck washing. Alright, all this has been done so far, and it really looks kind of, to me it looks green. The camera don't make it show up as good like the green, like treated lumber would. So probably when it dries it's going to look really good. She just likes a couple boards over here on this side being done, and then we're going to get all the rails and the post and all that and see what happens. So we went from the floor to the wall, and we got the outside done. I guess that's you know, from the window to the wall. Anyways, we're gonna get to the outside here in a minute. when we get this wall washed off. We really didn't realize how dirty it was until we started washing it. But you can see it. And of course, we know it needs to be done. And we know that's a summertime project, but whatever it is, what it is, we do what we can when we can around here. Alright, so we'll be back.
Okay, we got all of the inside of the porch, and like Mark said, even went to the back of the house and got part of it too. And now he's getting the outside where the rails and stuff like that are. That stuff really worked good on getting the porch clean, and it was, to me it smelled like Clorox. Mark, it did too, so, but it works good. Porch looks much better. Now we just got to clean up all of our mess from all of our little projects.
Alright, y'all, that's the front. We got it pressure washed off, and the side I think he showed you over here. So yeah, it's definitely making a difference. I kind of like the wood that color. I wish the new wood looked that way too. We'll replace some things and move the steps and all, but it's coming right along. I think it'll be all right after it dries. We just have to wait and see, but I think it's gonna be okay. Alright, well I guess we're about done with this project. We got to clean up our mess out here. We thank y'all for hanging out with us while we did this little project, and I apologize for not starting the video at the beginning of the project, but you know, it is what it is. I'm sure at a later date we're gonna be staining this, but you know, it's like it's the day before Thanksgiving. It's kind of like 50 or 60 degrees out here, so I don't know why I picked today to play in the water, but I did. So anyways, thank y'all for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and share it with your friends, and thank y'all for coming to Overlook Valley Homestead, and God bless you.